the alarm just went off. And maybe your first thought is, just 10 more minutes. I know this feeling, that soft space between sleep and waking, where your body is still heavy, your mind still drifting, and yet this moment is your golden window. So don't rush, don't get up just yet. Stay exactly where you are, and let my voice guide you into a wonderful day. Today, something can feel different. You may notice it in small, quiet ways. A little more clarity, a little more ease, a sense that things are working. You may begin to recognize what is good in your life, what is already supporting you, what is moving you forward. And problems may not feel as heavy because something in you is already looking for solutions naturally, effortlessly. You may also notice a gentle kindness in the way you relate to yourself. Less pressure, less urgency, more understanding, as if you were on your own side. And this kindness can extend outward into the way you see others. A little more patience, a little more openness without effort. You may begin to sense what is truly yours to carry today and what is not. And it can feel easier to choose where your energy goes and where you simply let go without guilt, without overextending yourself. There is a natural rhythm within you of moving forward and resting when needed. And today, you may follow this rhythm more easily, more intuitively. And as this settles, you may sense something simple. Today is a new day, a fresh beginning, a new opportunity, not to be perfect, but to choose wisely again. It is enough to be present and do what you can do during the day. And perhaps you can notice how focusing on today brings a sense of ease, because today is something you can handle. You may find yourself making small choices that support you, your energy, your well-being, your life, and it may feel more natural than expected to stay with those choices. Now imagine a soft, warm morning light beginning to fill your body from your feet, your legs, your core, your chest, your arms, your face. This light flows across your skin softly, warmly, awakening every surface, and then deeper through the tissues, reaching your organs with quiet intelligence. You may imagine your liver bathed in a gentle green light, and with it, a sense of patience, kindness, and generosity beginning to grow. Your heart glowing with a soft red light, warm, open, connected to feelings of love, joy, and gratitude. Holding a soft, yellow light, centering, nurturing, bringing trust, stability, and calm. Your lungs filled with a clear white light, bringing space, ease, a gentle courage to let go and receive each breath fully. Your kidneys surrounded by a calm blue light, steady, grounded, awakening a sense of safety and quiet inner strength. And perhaps you can feel that your body is not something to fight, but something that supports you, something you can care for, respect, and appreciate. Every cell gently awakening as if it were smiling, ready to support you through this day. Now, gently bring your attention to your breath. Inhale and exhale. With each breath, you are coming closer to being fully awake. Now take a deeper breath and begin to move your fingers, your toes, stretch your arms, your legs, roll your shoulders. Let your body wake up from within. And as you do, you may notice something simple. You are ready for this day. Take one more deep breath. And when you open your eyes, do it with intention, not pulled by the day, but stepping into it with openness, optimism, and confidence. I am Zita, an Aviva Method instructor and hypnotherapist at Vitality Flame. If this moment supported you, you can return to it anytime. And if you feel it may help someone else too, feel free to share it. This is your day,